Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: account access, app credentials, and the trigger you need. Once done, open Power Automate and select Create. Choose Automated, Instant, or Scheduled Flow. Select a trigger that matches the event, new email, file created, or a button press, and authenticate the connection. Make sure to name the flow clearly so you can find it later. After adding the trigger, add your first action step. Test the trigger once to ensure events start flowing to the designer. You now assemble the middle of the flow by chaining actions and injecting logic. Add actions that consume the trigger output and use dynamic content to map fields. When you need branching, insert condition, or switch. For lists, use apply to each and control concurrency if needed. Transform values with compose or expressions. This avoids messy intermediate steps. Once done, add parallel branches only when beneficial, and set action timeouts and retries to handle transient failures gracefully before moving to outputs and notifications. You finish by validating and hardening the flow. Save and run manual tests, then inspect run history to confirm each action succeeded and outputs match expectations. Make sure to add error handling, place critical steps in scope, use configure run after to catch failures, and set retry policies on flaky connectors. Once stable, turn the flow on and monitor performance for a day or 3. If something breaks, check the failed action details first. Fix mapping or authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.